I'm going to start again. Hi guys, welcome to DIY with Kende. I'm Kende, by the way, in case you did not know. If you don't know, that means you've not watched my previous videos, which means you are new to the channel. So a very special welcome to you. And if you are not new, thank you for sticking with me. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial on how I redesigned my top. I saw that they were selling the top, then I was like, I can make something like this. I decided to try it out and it turned out really nice, and I can wear it out to my side too. So yeah, you're keeping your money and you're getting nice clothes. Who doesn't like shit like that? I wore it in one of my tutorials, like the second one I posted. So I did a poll on my Instagram and some people said they wanted it. So I decided to, shoot something for you guys. And I also told you guys to comment. I think like 2 people commented. So yeah, I'm doing this tutorial. It's very, very easy, like 2 or 3 steps and we're done. Like, it's not even up to 10 minutes, honestly. Anyways, thank you for watching in advance. I hope you guys are keeping safe and wearing your masks and sanitizing, because COVID is real. COVID is very real, so please stay safe. I'll probably do a tutorial, a nose mask tutorial. So if you guys want to, just tell me, sure. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, please, because if you are not interested in it, someone else you know might be interested in it, and the channel keeps going like that. You get me? So if you're interested in the tutorial, please watch the video to the end. Yeah, I think that's all.
Get what you need. Now yeah, I cut out the lower part of my tee, and I'm cutting out 3 centimeters of it to make our rope thingy that we're going to tie, or a string. I'm going to call it a string. Now yeah, I'm marking 3.5 centimeter. This is the part we're going to cut off from the tee. I'm marking 3.5 inches, sorry, from the armhole area. I'm marking 3.5 inches. Now I'm going to just draw a curved line from both points, from this side and the other side. I'm going to draw a curved line. I'm so sorry you can't see the line I'm marking, because as I told you, I filmed it at night. I wasn't even like prepared or anything. So after you draw your curved line, just cut out that part. So just cut out that part. So just cutting it out. Curved line, no straight. 3.5 inches from the armhole. Now this is the top. That's the part we cut out. As you can see, the top is already curved in a way. Then this is the long string. Now I'm going to, when we cut it out, it's still in the circular form that it came, like the form of the T. So I'm going to cut it to make it just one straight rope thingy, just one straight long one. Now I'm going to sew, just fold and sew. I'm using a brown thread because I wanted you guys to see it, and it's not even neat at all, because I don't know where my head was at when I was doing this. But yeah, just sew down. You can reduce the length if you don't want it to be too long. You can reduce the length of this string thingy, of the rope thingy. I think I'm saying thingy too much. I'm using office pin to hold it down to make it easier to sew. I'm going to use the office pin to hold it down, so it's going to be easier to sew this way. So just continue sewing till you get to the end. Don't forget you can make yours shorter. Now I'm done sewing that thing. I'm showing you guys what it looks like. Now I'm going to make a casing to pass the string through. A casing at the bottom of the top to pass it through. I'm just marking half an inch because I don't want it to be too big, so I'm marking half an inch. Then I'm going to draw a straight line. And I'm marking this half of an inch. When I fold it over, it's still going to be half an inch because I'm folding it on the line I'm drawing. You see, I'll demonstrate it now. I'm folding on the line I marked, so it's still going to give us half an inch. You can decide to make yours a full inch. Just try to make sure it's not too big or too small for the string to pass through. Now I'm just going to sew it. Try to make sure little or no thread shows on the outer part of your tee, because that's the part people are saying. I'm sewing from the front because I was trying to make sure like no thread shows at all. That's the back. I'm almost done with sewing the casing for our string, or as I normally call it, our rope thingy. See that this DIY is very easy to make. I don't know which is easier, this or I think the tube top has to be the easiest, then maybe this one. Okay, so now we are going to pass our string through the casing. Just take your safety pin if you have one. If you do not have one, use an alternative. I'm using this thing. I still don't know the name, so I'm going to just do what I did, like pass it through the string, then pass the string through the casing. Just push and pull and push and pull again. Just do that till it comes out. As you can see, my work was not neat at all. Just try to make yours neater. And because I used a brown thread, it's going to make it obvious, but it's still going to be on the inner part, so it's not really going to show even if I wear the cloth out. Wisdom. So now I'm basically done. Just pull it out. Now we're done. Just drag it out and you're good to go. Our dear baby is ready. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Now this is our end results featuring me making pens as usual.